Why is it that every time something comes up, like you're the one that's sacrificing? Because I found myself in a place where everyone else around me was happy and I wasn't. Like either you're going to manage you or somebody else is going to manage you. Hey, I need you to show up for you just like you show up for everybody else. We have been conditioned to think that if we want more, if we aspire for more, if we want to make more money, if we want to have more time freedom and financial freedom, like somehow something is wrong with that. There is nothing wrong with that. There is nothing wrong with wanting more, and there is nothing wrong with setting aside time for you to go after what you want. So a lot of you say you want something, but then your actions are not aligned with your words. And so I need you to really get serious about showing up for you. I need you to really get serious about keeping the commitments that you have made to yourself. Like, why is it that every time something comes up, like you're the one that's sacrificing? You have been conditioned to sacrifice. You have been conditioned to put yourself last. You have been conditioned to not get what you really want. It's really disappointing to see like the people who really, really, really want to grow and they really want a profitable business and they really want to write a book. They want to go back to school. Like they have all of these desires that are like sitting on the inside of them. But they're saying, oh, well, I got to do this and I got to do that and I got to take care of this person. And listen, you got to make time for you. Like either you're going to manage you or somebody else is going to manage you. And sometimes it's people pleasing. Sometimes it's, well, I don't want them to think I'm selfish or I don't want them to think I don't want to help them. Listen, at the end of the day, you have a mission. Like at the end of the day, you have talents, gifts, and skills that you have been given. And nobody can unleash those gifts but you. Nobody can do it for you. Nobody can answer for you. When you get to the end of this life and you've got to really share, right? You got to review. Like you got to review. You don't even have to share because he already know. You got to review the decisions you've made. Oh my goodness. You got to review all of the times that you wanted to do something, but you were doubting, or you wanted to do something, but you allowed fear to lead, or you said you were going to do something, but you didn't do it. Like nobody can make this happen for you but you. Yes, people can help you. Yes, people can support you. But at the end of the day, it's got to be a decision that you make. And so if you have been the one who is always helping, serving, and supporting others, I need you to take a moment to think about you. Like, what is it that you want? Because I found myself in a place where everyone else around me was happy and I wasn't. I wasn't happy. I wasn't fulfilled because all I was doing is meeting the needs of other people. But I wasn't meeting my needs. As a matter of fact, I wasn't even honest about what I needed because I didn't want to be a burden. I didn't want to ask anybody. Like, I don't like to ask for help. Like, I don't. But I had to recognize that, listen, it all starts and ends with me. And so if you know you have not been on top of you, like you have not been doing what you're supposed to do, I need you to check yourself today. I need you to write down the 3 things that you need to accomplish over the next 90 days. And then I need you to write down the strategies. Like, what are you actually going to do? And then I need you to execute. Like, no overthinking, no allowing doubt and fear to lead, no saying, I don't have the time, I don't have the resources, I don't have this, I don't have that. My question for you is, what do you already have that you're not fully leveraging? Oh, my. What do you already have that you are not fully leveraging? Listen, it's your time. It's your turn. Let's go.